Ndinokuda Mweya iwe Mweya mutende ari pano ndinomunzwa achifamba ndinokuda Mweya iwe Mweya mutende gara pano ndokugombedzera Mweya ndinokuda Mweya iwe Mweya mutende Mweya mutende gara pano ndinokunzwa uchifamba ndinokuda Mweya iwe Mweya mutende ndamuka mangwanani moyo wangu unezara iwe ndinokuda Mweya iwe Mweya mutende ndavuka manda na manda bata iwo moyo wangu ndinokuda Mweya iwe Mweya mutende chiporesa dzikinura iwe kai shanya pakati pedu chiporesa dzikinura iwe kai shanya pakati pedu mutsiridza mutipewo simba gara pakati pedu mutsiridza mutipewo simba gara pakati pedu. Chiporesa dzikinura iwe kai shanya iwe chiporesa dzikinura iwe kai shanya iwe tinokudai Mweya mutende tinokudai Mweya mutende garai pano
My name is Wenyasha Chingono. I'm a musician, singer-songwriter. I mainly do Afrofusion and worship. But on this particular track, we did katekwe, which is your traditional Shona type of sound. This song is a prayer to God and to the Holy Spirit, showing my desperation and how much I love Him every day and how much I need Him every day. So this song came about when I was in his church service in 2018, and it was just dropped in my spirit, and I started singing it. And I remember my pastor praying for me and instructing me to write it further. And this is the result of that. I expect people to be refreshed, to be revived, for the love of God in their lives to be refreshed and to be revived as well. I also expect this song to give people joy. We are getting into the festive season. It's been a tough year. I also expect that people are going to, love this song. I started my musical journey way back in 2015 as a recording artist. Did my first single in that year, and I've since recorded 2 albums and a DVD, which is called Taste of Glory. My songs have done pretty well over the years on radio and on One Gospel. So going forward, I wish to collaborate with as many artists as I can and learn the craft, learn about production and how to spread the gospel of our Lord Jesus Christ through music. I believe music for me is a calling, and it's not like something that just came because I want money or anything. I believe it's a calling, and I believe I'm called to deliver someone from the kingdom of darkness to the kingdom of light. I believe I'm called to bring healing, to bring encouragement. My sound is not your typical gospel sound most of the time. So many people may say that it's not your everyday gospel sound, but I love it because that's the kind of sound that I normally gravitate towards. Getting into 2021, I'm expecting to release more music, work with the Houz Of Gruv, amazing artists, amazing platform for the kingdom to be expanded. And guys, enjoy this song. It's called Ndinokuda Mweya, which is simply translate, I love you, Holy Spirit. So you're going to enjoy it, you're going to dance to it, you're going to sing along to it. It is a very catchy hook, and I believe your lives will never be the same also when you listen to this music. So be blessed. This is my story, and I hope you were encouraged, and I hope even the upcoming artists as well were encouraged by my story. Thank you guys.
Houz Of Gruv.